Si Tom sabi niya, oh my God, I went to this, I went out of the country, nanood sila ng concert, blah blah blah. Tapos, pagbukas na elevator, nakita ko, akala ko yung magka-concert. The famous, ano ba? Famous
biologist.
My favorite biologist. I'm like, okay.
No, kasi it was Richard Dawkins. He was on the elevator.
Si Katy Perry or Britney Spears.
Pasarado yung elevator, may papasok. So, inisap ko. Pag gano'n ko, sabi ko, Richard Dawkins.
Oh my God.
I love The Selfish Gene. Kasi hindi, ganda ng book na yun, The Selfish Gene.
Alam ko sa airport, kasi natega kami ng 4 hours, na-delay kami. So, naglabas muna siya ng, okay, phone, and then gumawa siya ng music or something. Tapos after that, naglabas siya ng Rubik's Cube. So, tapos after that, book, tapos nagbasa siya. Tapos after that, may maliit siyang laptop. Maliit so ganyan. Tapos after, salita siya ng salita. Hanggang sa sinabi ni Tito Ronnie, parang, wait lang, brain overload. Wait lang. Then, naglabas siya ng malaking laptop na sobrang laki. Sabi ko, may ADD ka, no? As in, ang laki ng laptop niya.
Si Tom.
Parang ganun na. Anong condition mo? In one scene, lahat ginagawa mo.
Naging happy ko na kasi hindi ako kumari pag wala akong trabaho, hindi ako lumalabas ng bahay, nagbabasa ako, I study, I take a lot of courses. Kahit nasa sa ako rin.
Pero pag-uusap mo sila, nag-focus ka naman.
Nag-focus ko.
Sobrang focused eh. Tapos
bigla,
Kaya tuloy ako.
usap tapos
Kaya pala hindi maamin-amin ni Carl.
No, pero to be fair, I'm so thankful for Carla. Because she tolerates my quirks.
Yun yung sabi ko.
And she finds it lovable. Nakasama ako.
Carla, very, it was Carla, she's very also.
She's very smart.
Smart, articulate, blah, blah.
Ay, ako yung
Carla,
short.
sabi niya, actually, thankful ako, tinotolerate niya ako sa ganun ako.
Na-encourage siya pa ako. Like, when she sees, pag may study time, ganun, she knows what it is. I'm so thankful. Yun talaga, it's my addiction. I can't stop it. I love learning new things.